Hey guys, this is Brandon with the Millionaire Mindsets coming at you with another live video. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 per referral. The best thing about it is that the referral does not have to pay anything for you to receive that $900. Now, you want to watch this video to the complete end because there's a lot of valuable information that I'm going to give. Now, jumping right into the video, the name of what we're going to discuss today is called DoorDash. Now, guys, you will need a vehicle, or you can use a bicycle, any type of mobile um, vehicle that you have. Vehicle is preferred, of course. You will need a vehicle. Now, DoorDash is nationwide in the United States, but it's not worldwide. Now, you can look at different type of food delivery services similar to DoorDash, but this is for United States residents. Now, guys, DoorDash, in case you haven't heard of it, is very similar to Uber. I know a lot of people who have made part-time and even full-time income with DoorDash. Um, in this video, there will be a referral link in case you want to sign up for DoorDash through your phone, and or also if you want to sign up on a tablet or computer, I will have a link provided in the description of this video as well. So let's jump right into it, guys. What is DoorDash? As DoorDash, you're an independent contractor. So you are your own boss, you are your own leader, you set your own hours, you choose when you want to be paid, you choose when you want to work. Not a W-2. Again, guys, this can be a part-time income, it could be side hustle money, or you can make it into a full-time income. Now this is the site, and again, I will provide the referral link in the description of this video. You'll be taken to a site that looks like this. Very easy, guys. You will put in your zip code, so whatever your zip code is. You will click on next. Now, you do need a valid driver license and you need a social security number for tax purposes. So, as long as you're 18 or older, you have a valid driver license, a social security number, and you have a clean driver record, you'll be fine. You get approved really fast. Typically, I think is within 24 to 48 hours. Earning, well, let's look at the home page first. So what you'll be doing is driving to restaurants to pick up food for customers and delivering the food for the customers. Very easy, guys. You will get, once you sign up for DoorDash, you will get notified on your phone. Once you start beginning working for DoorDash, you'll get notifications on your phone whenever an order comes in, and you accept the order or decline it. If you accept it, it is a GPS map that will take you to the restaurant. You give the restaurant the customer's name, you pick up the order, you deliver it to the customer. Now the app will walk you along the steps. Once you arrive at the restaurant, you click on Arrived at Restaurant. Once you're on your way to the customer, you follow the GPS coordinates and you click on Delivered. Very easy, and you get paid instantly. Another great thing about DoorDash, guys, is that it pays out daily. You do have the option to get paid every 24 hours. You can cash out. Again, very easy to make money. And also the customers typically tip well with DoorDash. I have a lot of friends who does it. As you can see, here are some screenshots of what customers have made. You have a base pay, which is basically a certain pay that you'll receive no matter what. And then you'll get, again, customer tips on top of the base pay. Most areas I know, but you have the option to get paid by delivery or by hour. I have heard delivery is better, but typically you'll make anywhere from $13 to $15 an hour. And you could definitely make the best out of it. They also have something called peak pay. So say on very busy days, just say like Friday afternoon where people ordering lunch, if the um area is very busy, then you could earn peak pay. DoorDash will pay you an additional, just say $4 on top of the base pay and your tips. Um, I know some people in California who's making about $20 an hour with this. Very decent. Again, you can be on a bicycle and do it, totally fine. Um, Again, here are the requirements. 18 years older, a car, scooter, bicycle. Which I prefer a car because you'll get there faster. But you can use a bicycle if you choose, or a scooter. Driver license, social security number, only in the United States. And I'm sorry, I forgot the background check. You do have to pass a background check. So very easy, simple requirements. Um, they have the frequently asked questions on here, in case you have more questions. Very, very easy way to earn money, guys. And get into the referral part, which I told you guys you want to stay towards the end. Um, for everybody you refer, say you have a friend who wants to do the same thing you're doing with DoorDash, and you refer that friend to DoorDash, and they complete 250 deliveries, which is not a lot. Because in most cities, the deliveries are back to back. This isn't something where you're sitting in the parking lot waiting for another order. The orders are back to back to back. I know people who do this full time, who makes very good money with it. Who makes 1,500, dollars a week, 2,000 a week, and replace their full time job. But say you have a friend who wants to do DoorDash. When you join DoorDash, you're going to be given a referral link. And that referral link you can share on social media, on your Facebook, your Instagram. You can text the link to your friend, email them the link. When they sign up and they complete 250 deliveries, you're going to get $900 for that referral. Once you personally complete $250 deliveries, DoorDash is going to pay you $600 as a, courtesy thank you for being a dasher with us. But there's no limit to how many referrals you can refer. So say you refer 10 people, they complete, say you refer 10 people a month, they complete 250 deliveries their first month. You made $9,000. That's not including the income you're earning from being a DoorDash delivery driver. And again, guys, this is an independent contractor, so you can set your own hours with this. You can work whenever you want. You just open up that app and go to work. So $900 per referral for just sharing a link. How many people out here need jobs, who struggle with jobs, who struggle to find work? You can easily refer them to DoorDash. They don't have to pay a cent. You don't have to pay a cent to get started. You get $900 for free per referral as long as they sign up, which takes about 3 to 4 minutes to sign up, complete a background check, which usually comes back within 24 to 48 hours. They download the app and they can go to work right away. There's no interview process, none of that. They will go here to sign up, or you will go here to sign up, put in your postal code, click on next, put in your email address, fill out the form, address, social security number, W-9 for tax purposes, complete the background check, and this site is self-explanatory, so they'll walk you through all of that. But again, guys, how many people who need jobs, who would sign up with DoorDash? Most people have cars. Even if you don't have a car, I know some people who have, rented vehicles, just to do DoorDash, and they'll pay their rental with part of their profit. So guys, this is easy money. Again, I will put the link in the description box for you. If you want to sign up, you just go to the link, sign up. Please feel free to ask any questions. You guys can email me directly or ask a question in the comments and I will answer it. But again, guys, this is great income because not only do you make, can you make, $15 an hour or so for being a DoorDash driver, but you get paid $900 per referral. So if you refer 10 people a month, that's an extra $9,000 a month on top of the income that you're earning from being a DoorDash driver. So yes, realistically, you can make over $10,000 a month with this, if you do it the correct way. Like I said, guys, everyone needs jobs. So you can do a service as well as providing them income opportunity. Again, guys, the link to sign up with DoorDash will be in the description box. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button to get notifications of when I come out with videos, because I'll come out with videos almost daily, guys, on how you can replace your job, your 9 to 5, by working from the comfort of your own home. Again, this is Brandon with Millionaire Mindsets. Until next time.